Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, July 23, 2020. Yes, our 14-foot Penn Yan runabouts, bottom rebuilding, recovery, and repair is behind us. She's ready for water, ready to float. Our next step will be flipping her, sitting her on her trailer, and we hope very, very soon seeing her leave Snake Mountain Boatworks for her home waters in Vermont. The bottom paint is green JD Select Ablative. It really complements our beautiful bright finished top sides. We repaired the broken seam between the keel and the stem. And as long as she's floated onto her trailer, not winched on, she should provide years of trouble-free service. There is one caution: this is a blot of paint. Owners of boats with a blot of or anti-fouling paint know that you need to put a fresher coat or two on the bottom of your boat every other season. If you don't use it a great deal, maybe every second season. But this paint is a blottive. If sloughs off, that's how it keeps your bottom clean. So your goal is to keep a good coat of fresh paint on the bottom of that boat. But this one, she's ready to go home. And momentarily we'll have her loaded onto her little load-right trailer. And you remember we had issues with the boat being dragged over this crossbar. We've repaired this, added that piece so that there is some protection. We've got this one as well. So the keel should be safe. Now we'll just float her. The bottom will be safe. And with that, thank you very much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.